This week I'm testing the Ford Mustang GT, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is you can silence these exhausts. Using the controls on the screen in front of the steering wheel, you can put it on quiet mode and even set it between certain hours, so say midnight and 7 AM, so that you don't upset your neighbours or wake your kids. It's really family friendly. And then the rest of the day you can have that loud V8 fun. Number 2 is I can get 2 forward-facing child seats in the back here, and it's been surprisingly easy to reach in and do up these harnesses. Number 3 is the drive. It's really enjoyable, and the car kind of shrinks around you while you're driving. You don't realise that you're driving a sports car. The other thing is, when it's in quiet or normal mode, it's actually quite smooth and comfortable. It's only when you've got it in racetrack mode that it feels quite hard and would disrupt little passengers in the back. I've really enjoyed my week with the Ford Mustang GT. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.